I love it the way you clap back when you move. Ain't nobody in here with that body, nobody but you. Nobody but you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Nobody but you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ain't nobody in here with that body, nobody but you.
So a lot of you guys have noticed how much longer my hair has gotten in such a short period of time. Today I'm going to be showing you not only my tips, but the things I've been doing to promote this most recent crazy hair growth. And honestly, it all starts with a pre-poo. What I'm using is peppermint oil. And what peppermint oil does, it stimulates hair growth by getting the blood circulating in the scalp along with massaging it in, which is what I'm doing. I'm not only focusing it on the top of my hair, but the back, the sides. This includes my taper sides and the front part of my hairline as well. Today I'm using the Hair Stimulator Drenched Maximum Moisture line, and I'm going to be using the hair growth shampoo. This line is dedicated for moisturizing the hair and most importantly promoting healthy hair growth. This shampoo consists of, key ingredients will be silk protein, Jamaican black castor oil, which is noteworthy for thickening the hair and of course promoting hair growth as well. Most importantly, ingredient known as Regenerex, which is, if I'm not mistaken, that is used for stem cell research, and also it's a follicle stimulator, so that of course it's going to promote hair growth as well. It's really watery and runny. I was kind of struggling with applying it, but like all of my shampoos, I'm starting out with my roots and I'm just going to be working it into my hair from root to tip. So I was looking at my channel the other day and I noticed that I haven't really posted anything pertaining to hair growth in a hot minute. So if you guys want to see more hair growth related videos, make sure you comment down below, as well as leave some suggestions. Now I'm going in with my scalp massaging brush. You guys have seen this on my channel for forever. Been using it for months. It's a game changer. I use it every single time I wash my hair. And just to make sure that shampoo is thoroughly distributed throughout my whole head, my scalp, and I just like to give myself a light scrub, a light massage. So you guys have seen it here live on YouTube, my hair growth. So a lot of these things that I will be saying, it's not make-believe. For my hair growth, you guys do see my hair at least once a week. Rarely am I doing, any special updos. I'm pretty boring with my hair actually. I just let it breathe. Over manipulating causes tension to your hair, leading to breakage, and ultimately it stunts the hair growth. Another tip would be mindful of the little things: deep conditioning, protein treatments, protecting your hair at night, trimming your split ends. Little stuff like that adds up and does make a difference in your hair along with your hair growth. The next product I'm going in is the Hair Stimulator Drenched Maximum Moisture Hair Growth Conditioner. And it shares a lot of the same ingredients as the shampoo. Another thing I want to mention is none of these products contain harsh ingredients, and this conditioner has a really thick consistency. Y'all, this consistency was to die for, and it melts into the hair like butter. However, my hair was really tangled, you can see right here. So what I did was I split my hair up into like halves, if you will, so I can thoroughly detangle. I even applied more conditioner. This conditioner has a lot of slip, y'all. I don't know if that's evident in this clip right here. It's just my hair was really matted and tangled in the back. If you guys have been here from day one, you know that I rave about deep conditioning. It was the 180 in my whole natural hair journey. Not only that, but being a little bit more gentle with my hair when detangling. So you can see I have thoroughly detangled my hair with my fingers, and now I'm going in with what is a wet brush, wet comb. It's meant for curly hair. It's a comb, and it's got like little ridges in the comb itself of the teeth, so that when it gets caught up and snagged up with the curls, it's really easy to continue combing through the section of hair. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have split it off my hair into halves, and this is usually what I do all the time. I will start from the back, work my way up to the front. I comb out each section, and I'm done with the back now, so I'm moving on to the front. And with that out of the way, I will be going into my next tip, which is do not apply oils to your scalp. I know that goes against what I said, but hear me out. When you use oils on your hair and you apply them to your scalp, those oils, some of them, half the time they don't even sink into your scalp and do what they're supposedly supposed to do, right? They just sit there, and when you apply oils to your scalp throughout the week, it just sits there, it clogs up your pores. It really doesn't do much for your hair. Instead of applying it to your scalp, what I recommend is apply oils to your deep conditioners, your conditioners, or your shampoos. The only reason why I would ever apply oil to my scalp and leave it in there is if my scalp is itchy. That's really the only reason. And my last tip would be to stop checking your hair 24/7 for growth. Just stop. Think of your hair like grass. You can't physically see the grass growing, but you know it is. Same with your hair. When it rains, the grass shoots right back up after mowing it, right? Same with your hair. Keeping your hair moisturized alone promotes hair growth. But yeah, that wraps up this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. I will link Hair Stimulator in their website down below, as well as leave a discount code for you guys, which includes 15% off their whole website, including the products that I use in this video. So I did the math for you guys. 15% off these products, you can get them as a bundle, is $23. That's crazy, y'all. Hop on that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.